Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. I'm continuing with the uses for coffee filters other than brewing delicious coffee. I didn't realize how many uses coffee filters had that you can use in the home. But I like this one as well. I like them all, but this one's pretty cool. If you are going to be planting either a flower or a plant in a pot, it's a good idea to line that pot with a coffee filter. What it does is that the coffee filter will allow water to pass through the soil, and sometimes coffee pots has water come out, but sometimes if you don't have the filter in there, it'll actually erode the soil and soil will come out of the pot. And you don't really want that for your plants because all the nutrients for the plants are contained in the soil. So what the coffee filter does is it does three things. One, it allows water to pass through. Number two, because the moisture is still in there and in the soil where all the nutrients are, it prevents root rot. And then finally, if you want to transport your plant from that pot to another pot or plant it into the ground, it's a nice and easy process because you have the coffee filter in there. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Let me know if you have a coffee filter tip which you want me to use next week. Bye for now.